Hello and welcome to today's video. We have the $25 a month Allure subscription box. And it comes with a brochure with a lovely person on the front. Brochure tells us about the information. I highlight a few things so I have half a clue of what I'm doing. Let's get into this box. I'm curious. Me too. First up is the $25 item that essentially paid for the box. Yes, that often happens that one item will pay for the entire box. And if you like what you're seeing here, we do have a link down below in the description box. But moving along with this video, this is from KVD. It is a full sleeve, long and defined tubing mascara. And I haven't tried it yet. I already have one, so this is either going to be a backup, or if I don't care for it, I'm going to leave it packaged up so I can find it a future home. This is what the details of the package itself looks like. And help me out here, Fatima. This is what I tried today for the first time. I've tried a tubing mascara. We shall see if it comes off as easily as they say it does. But I'm glad to have a second one, either as a backup if I do like this concept, and if I don't, I can find it a future home. I don't need mascara. Yes, we all know that. This is from Dew of the Gods. It is in the scent Coconut Cloud, and it smells heavenly. I enjoy Dew of the God products, and this is the first time I'm getting the opportunity to try a lip product from them. This is Dew of the God Sorbet Hyaluronic Lip Butter in Coconut Cloud. And this is full size. It has a retail of $24. And like I said, it just smells divine. It's got serious hydrators like mineral oil, but it does not feel slick or goopy. Or at least that's what the brochure has to say for itself. And from Juliet Has a Gun, we have the Eau de Parfum. I don't know why we need the word gun in a product name, but I won't get on that soapbox right now. And this claims that it is not a perfume. Okay. And it says that the reason you're going to like this is because once you get a whiff of this clean musk, you won't want to stop smelling it. Well, I got news for them. I got one whiff and I didn't even spray the thing. Where is it here? I just popped the top off and took a little whiff and went, oh, no. This is not Anne's scent. Not at all. Musk is not my thing. So we're going to package this back up and find it a future home. We are halfway through the box and Anne has decided on her top two. In the first half of the box, I like the KVD tubing mascara. Like I said, my first time to try it. We'll see what happens. And I like the Dew of the Gods lip product. What did you see that you liked? Let me know in the comments down below, because I'm a nosy camel and I want to know all the details. And now, moving right along with this video. This product gave us quite an issue. Yes, it did. It is from a company, I believe this is pronounced Manyo. And it is a cleansing oil. It did have a top on it. Oh, believe us, it had a top. I've got it taped shut now that I finally got the top off of it. It has a fruity scent, So I am intrigued to try this one. It also has a safety seal. I've retaped the safety seal, at least for the moment. I am going to find a better container to keep this in so it does not spill out and make a mess, because I'm not putting that top back on. That was a sample size. The full size is 200 milliliters and will cost $29. And it contains nourishing argan and jojoba oils. And the directions for this are a little bit different than what I've seen before. It says you're going to massage the cleansing oil into your skin first while your skin is still dry, and then you're going to work it in and then use it again while adding water, work it in some more, and finally you're going to rinse your skin clean and you're done. So it sounds intriguing. I'm glad I finally was able to get the product open. Quick little story time here. When it came, I could not get this top off of it for love nor money. And I tried, and I tried with my hand. I used one of those little plastic thingies, you know, that you use to get the caps off of food containers. That didn't work. Jeff tried. He couldn't budge it. So I sent a message on Instagram to Allure, and I said, hey, how do you open this? And they replied back with some specific directions that we will put over here. And so I tried what they said, and I'm going to pop in the video of me trying to open it again using the plastic thingamajig that I have for opening food products. Okay, so it's been soaking, and we're now going to try. And I'm giving it everything I got and gently pushing down and going counterclockwise. And this sucker ain't moving an inch. And I was giving it everything I got, and it would not budge. Jeff then hopped in. You got it. And all I can say is he's stronger than I am. Either that or you loosened it for him. So that was our little story time adventure of getting that product open. I will say, in all of my years of getting Allure, this is the first time I've ever had difficulty opening a product. From Eclat in London, we have a micellar water. And this is scented with rosemary extract. And at first I thought, oh wow, this is going to have a scent. The scent is very nice. It's very light. It is not overpowering. It's not like you're being hit upside the head by a giant hunk of rosemary. So I look forward to giving this one a try as well. Although I will be honest, did we really need 2 facial cleansers in one box? Seems like a little overkill. And that one is full size at $38.09 for 100 milliliters. And apparently it feels amazing on a hot, sticky day. We've had plenty of those. A perfect way to refresh skin on the go or reset at the end of the day. And last but not least, we have a package of 2 cleansing rounds. So those will go nicely with the 2 cleansers we got. And maybe that's the reason they gave us 2 cleansers, is they were giving us a pack of 2 cleansing rounds. These are a good size. Definitely a good size. These are soft, soft, soft. Those are machine washable. They are $9.99 for the package of 2. And I was trying to find out what they were made of because they are so soft. In the second half of the box, I think I am most excited for this pure cleansing oil just because it was such a wild adventure to get the thing open, and it does smell nice. So that's my favorite from the second half of the box. What did you see in the second half that you liked? Let me know down below. And taking a quick look at the nitty-gritty, this box is $25 if you go on a monthly subscription. If you go on an annual subscription, I'm currently paying $19 a month. I do have a link down below that will save you $10 off of your first box. So if you're interested, please consider giving that link a try. And thank you for watching today. This box will give you 6 items. Every so often you get to make a choice regarding like a shade of an item, like a shade of a lipstick or the shade of a blush or a bronzer. And I'm enjoying this box despite the occasional hiccup with a product. Of the 6 items, 3 are usually full size and 3 are sample size. So that's a pretty fair price considering everything that you get. Most of the time, I like everything or almost everything in the box. You're always going to have something that you might not like. That's just the way it goes with a mystery box. Yet, that's also the reason we get mystery boxes, is so we can try different products without having to pay full price. Thank you again for joining us today. Be sure you're subscribed. We have fun adventures over here. Yes, like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, you know the routine. Check out something popping up on the channel, and we hope to see you again in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.